Okay, here we have a Philco Model 47-PT-95, manufactured in 1947, wood cabinet, good working radio, cabinet has been restored, electronics have been rebuilt to function correctly. Cabinet is in excellent condition, and also the cover on the front, which is normally all wrinkled, what you find mostly on eBay, is in excellent condition. So I'm going to turn it on and we'll listen to the how it sounds here.
Making the pennant with a win tonight in Game 4 with the Florida News. I'm Larry Stolman. This is FM, the Florida News Network.
Okay. Bartram Trail is 12-point favorite against Nice. Ponte Vedra is a 10-point favorite against Jacksonville Inglewood. St. Augustine's a 14-point favorite against Matanzas.
Plenty of audio, plenty of volume.
Pedro Menendez is an 11-point underdog against Clay County. Clay's got a quarterback this year.
Enough volume to drive you out of the room.
Crookside's a 14-point favorite against Jacksonville Atlantic Coast.
Anyhow, we'll be listing this on eBay probably within the next couple of days, so take a look if you're interested. It's a good working radio. Everything is working as it should. So that is it for now. Oh yeah, one other thing, in St. Augustine we only have 2 radio stations, so it's hard to pick up much of anything else. Jacksonville's 45 miles, their radio station, so it's a little hard to pick them up during the day. Do pick them up at night, but not so much during the day.
Not over yet. Had medical, social, and financial challenges that we've not seen in our lifetimes. Some think it's the end of the world as we know it. I see it as another chance
Okay,
to open
that's
our
it
eyes
for
and
now.
see potential for living more clearly, listening to other